Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Espresso Machines. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Calphalon Espresso Machine. Includes single and double shot single wall filter baskets. Evenly wets grounds for maximum flavor extraction. Gently warms for espresso ready cups. Number 4. Philips Automatic Espresso Machine. Enjoy 5 coffees. Intuitive touch display. 12-step grinder adjustment. Keep your beans fresh for longer thanks to the aroma seal. Dishwasher safe parts for your convenience. Number 3. DeLonghi Espresso Machine. Proprietary smart tamping station significantly reduces mess and taps coffee evenly. Provides ideal temperature, stability and 3 temperature profiles for optimal coffee extraction. Number 2. Breville Espresso Machine. Innovative thermal jet heating system achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds. Digital temperature control (PID) delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Number 1. Seco Zelsys Automatic Espresso Machine. Proven hygiene of milk system with steam cleaning. The Hygie steam function will clean up the whole milk circuit with steam from the spout to the milk tubes at your command. So it is clean and ready to make your next drink.